Hello, I'm Leo. I am a member of the Tas Game Makers community and a current board member. My talk I'm going to be giving is about the tiled map editor, which is a standalone map editor, 2D map editor for games. When you're making games, you can use this tool to create levels for your game, and it's free as well. So I'll jump straight into it and give a demo. So here's a map that I've made for my game Wizards with Rockets, and it consists of, in this case, a top-down 2D map with tile sets. I've gone and created a tile set, which is a single image containing multiple blocks, which you can use to create a map. A bit of reference: tile sets were originally used in games in the early days because they're more efficient for loading resources into memory than one by one, and I think it's still used today because it's still more efficient. So I can make a little change. Let's see, place a block. They've got layers, so I can make a change there, and then save it, and then load my game. So there's the change I made there, and it makes lots of noise. It's smart enough to know. I've got Christmas hats as well. So it's quite powerful for rapidly prototyping, and why I chose tiled for my engine was because I needed a way to create maps easily without having to write my own editor for my engine. But even if for engines like Unity and Godot, you have another way of making maps which is streamlined for making levels like this. It has other features as well, like you're not just limited to tiles like this. You can also place objects in positions, and it generates XML files, which is in this TMX format, which in this case is an array of the tile types, but you can also have positions of objects as well. So it's quite flexible to however you want to make maps. One very common use case is for like role-playing games, top-down role-playing games, and traditional side-scrollers. And also another reason why I like it is because you can package your level editor separate to your game, so it gives players the ability to make more content for your game. And I will show you the website. Lucky. See some examples of games, notably Shovel Knight and Axiom Verge. And I'm sure there's others that people have heard of. Yeah, that's all I have prepared for today, so thanks.